Hey, my friend, how's it going? This is Lee Murray. It is a pleasure to welcome you to my 90-day challenge invitation page. And this is for Affiliate Psycho 2, which is, quite honestly, the most powerful way I know of for somebody fresh, how do you say, doe-eyed or whatever, somebody who's brand new to the game of making money online. This is the very best way to go because we're not just going to nickel and dime our way to the big time. We're going to start you off right to where 90 days from now your life can look a lot different than it does today. Heck, that can start to take shape within a week. Okay, if you follow along with the steps that I give you, if you follow along with my 90-day challenge, within a week, you can already be earning an income, building an email list, and everything, all by taking one single action. Now, when I say one single action, I'm not talking about some magic push button nonsense. What I'm talking about is consistency. There's a certain action that you can take, okay? There are a few different steps involved with said action, but you'll get better and better at it as you go. And that's the purpose of this 90 days, is to get you into consistency. That's where everybody fails. Everybody fails due to a lack of consistency. They try something once, they dabble, they do something maybe 1 day, 2 days, and then, they move on to the next shiny object. Please don't do that to yourself. Not anymore. You don't have to. Okay, with Affiliate Psycho 2, I am going to take you from wherever you are now and help you transform yourself into what I call an affiliate psycho. And that's somebody who's a little bit different from everybody else, who gets extraordinary, unique results and not just the same nothing burgers as everybody else. All right? I want you to get real results. I want you to really change your life. I don't want you to keep buying into the hype and thinking that you're making progress by making purchases. Okay? Let this be the last purchase you make for the next 90 days. And just watch what happens when you play full on with this 90-day challenge. When you just give it everything you've got, it'll only take an hour, maybe 2 hours a day to do. You got an hour or two a day to do it? If not, then you have no business trying to make money on the internet. None. If you think there's any click button software out there that's going to make you rich, will not happen. It's never happened. Not one time has it ever happened. Not one time will it ever happen. Okay? What I'm presenting you with today is the real deal, but I have simplified it as much as humanly possible while still preserving the power to yield you the results that you want in your life so you can transform everything within the next 90 days. And again, starting this week. Okay, you can begin the 90 days. We're going to get you set up on day 1, and then your 90 days begins tomorrow. All right? Set up today. 90 days begins tomorrow. Take me up on this challenge. The button is below. Dirt cheap. You'll never see the price this low again. And I really look forward to serving you on the inside there. So click the button, get in there, and yeah, we'll see each other again real soon, okay? And if you're on the fence or whatever, I mean, I'm a skeptic myself. So I encourage you to read every word below this video and see what the heck Affiliate Psycho 2 is all about, and then make the decision that's right for you. But I already know what that decision is. Hopefully you come to agree with me. Okay, so I'll see you inside, and we'll talk real soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.